Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Dynamo Lab. In this video, we are going to learn about the function keys on a computer keyboard. Function keys are the keys labeled F1 to F12. Let's see what each key does. F1 is commonly used to open the help section. So remember, F1 means help. F2 rename. F2 is commonly used to rename a file or folder. Select a file, press F2, type the new name and press enter. F2 means rename. F3 search. F3 is commonly used to open or activate the search function. F3 means search. F4 address bar. F4 can be used to move to the address bar in some applications. And remember this useful shortcut, Alt plus F4 closes the current window. F5 refresh. F5 is used to refresh or reload a web page or window. For example, when a web page doesn't update, press F5. F5 means refresh. F6 navigation. F6 helps move the cursor or focus between different parts of a window. In many web browsers, it can move the focus to the address bar. F7 spell check. F7 is commonly used for spelling and grammar checking. For example, in Microsoft Word, F7 can start the spelling and grammar check. F7 means spell check. F8 startup. F8 has different functions depending on the computer and software. In some Windows startup situations, it can be used to access advanced startup options. F9 update. F9 can be used to update or recalculate information in some programs. For example, it can update fields in Microsoft Word. F10 menu. F10 is commonly used to activate or highlight the menu bar. Also remember, Shift plus F10 opens the context menu. F11 full screen. F11 is commonly used to switch a web browser into full screen mode. Press F11 again to return to the normal view. F11 means full screen. F12 developer tools. F12 can open developer tools in many web browsers. In Microsoft Word, F12 can open the Serve As dialog. Let's quickly remember the function keys. F1 help, F2 rename, F3 search, F4 address bar, F5 refresh, F6 navigation, F7 spell check, F8 startup, F9 update, F10 menu, F11 full screen, F12 developer tools. Keep in mind that function keys can work differently depending on the computer, operating system or software. And that's it. Now you know the basic functions of F1 to F12. If you found this video useful, like the video, subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.